is definitely part of it that some people will refrain from mingling with you, or refrain from maybe having getting to discuss important items with you. So during that time, I would say I lost friends. I won't say I lost friends, but definitely, maybe unknowingly, some had to distance themselves from the friendships that we had. You get the point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how would I be moving around with someone who's on the part-time? How would I be moving around with someone who's failed? How would I be moving around with someone who's okay? What would I be doing with you? So it's possible. It's possible. I had to maybe I might have lost that connection
Yeah.
of that strong relationship that I had with my friends. But I would say, honestly, I wouldn't want to lie. 80% of my friends stood firm. 80% of my friends stood firm. 80% of the people, or I say maybe 90% of the people, got disappointed, but they never had to post on me because they knew the kind of person that I was, and that could have been done. Maybe couldn't have